is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a question. Are you looking to make money online by profiting off of somebody else's hard work? And I know it sounds really, really bad, but it's actually completely legal, completely ethical, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it in my review of Commission Clone. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes could be stale as well. Last week's bagels. My cat doesn't like them either. She thinks that you should get fresh bagels. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously. You're annoying my cat. Do you know that? Seriously. Get a new line. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. I love Liz. I can't get angry at her. Yeah. If you are new, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Hey, welcome. We are on the sales page for Commission Clone. This is this new software from my friend Dan Ashendorf. Now, before I say anything else, I want to let you know, stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to get $3 off the price of this software. And I'm going to show you exactly how the software works. Okay, so basically what the software does like this. There are videos available on YouTube and other websites called Creative Commons videos. What that means is that you are legally allowed to reuse these videos for yourself without putting any attribution, without paying any fees. They are legally given to the public to use. Now, here's the catch, though. You might think, okay, Eric, I don't need this software. I can go and find Creative Commons videos on my own on YouTube and just upload them to YouTube again, right? Well, you can't, because YouTube detects when a video is being uploaded, which is exactly the same as a video that it already has, and basically it's going to say, "Sorry, we already have this video. We don't want the same video twice." So what do? Well, it's actually very, very simple. What you can do is you can go ahead and use this software to add to the video. You're going to put your own little spin on it. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that in just a moment. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, because my custom bonuses are always the best. And this time is no exception. I'm giving away 2,000 videos that you can use in order to add content into this material. So this is on top of everything else you're going to be getting with the software. So let me show you real quick the members area, and then I'll show you how the software works. Here's the members area. It's a pretty basic members area. There's only 4 videos here. So they have this case study where basically they're going to show you a video he just created. He's already starting to get views and rankings for it. And then he's going to show you how to find offers to promote. And it's not going to be just JVZoo Warrior Plus, like the stuff that I usually promote. It's other stuff, because you don't have to promote only make money online stuff. Everybody wants to do the same thing that I do, which frankly, this is a very, very competitive niche. And there's so many other niches which are bigger. For example, cats. You can see all these videos about cats. Okay, you can do a video on cats. I love cats. You saw my cat in the beginning video. Okay, and there's so much more that you can do than just the make money online stuff. That's why I like this thing, because you can get away from all that stuff and start putting up other videos that will rank, will make you money, and you don't have to worry about this crazy industry of ours. Anyhow, all right, and basically take a look over here. This is the software. Okay, so it's a really very, very easy to use software. Basically, you do like this. You're going to put in YouTube CC search. Okay, you can see I already searched for cats. And so you can pick any of these videos. They're they're already telling you how many likes and dislikes. Okay, they're telling you what the views are, what the ratings are, the whole 9 yards. They're giving you all this information, and these are all videos that you can legally reuse for your own stuff. Okay, because every single one of these videos is a Creative Commons video that you can go ahead and reuse. So you can just pick one at random. I already picked something. Right, and then the magic of the software, what it does is like this. You see intro, main, outro. Okay, so basically the main video is going to be our YouTube video. And then what we're going to do is like this. We're going to add a little intro, okay, and we can add an outro. And basically what that means is going to add in a section to the video at the beginning and at the end. And this makes it uniquely yours, so you can re-upload it to YouTube and start ranking it again. And you can see here you have these options. They have some video that's already here. You also are going to have my videos that I'm giving you, over 2,000 videos that you can upload and use. You can use Pixabay images, okay, or you can just select images of your own, or of course just enter a video URL if you'd like. And you can even let it know if it's a green screen video, like I'm using a green screen behind me. You can see the cheesy New York background that I am using. Okay, now, and then again, you can do the same thing for the outro, and then basically you can also add in a lower thirds image if you would like to add in something like, saying funny cats report or whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, and then basically what you do is like this. It's already got the ability to search for ClickBank offers. Inside of the members area over here, you can show you other websites besides ClickBank. But the idea is to not just focus only on the make money online niche, to focus on broader niches, because there's so many other ways to make money online. You don't have to just do this niche, which frankly is a very, very difficult niche to get into. Okay, and then basically you can add text, and once you're done, you can add, of course, animated text, background audio, all that kind of good stuff. And again, it has all these things built in, and then once you're done, you click create video and you're done. It's super easy to use, okay? And let me show you real quick how to get the $3 off the price. So basically, I'm just going to refresh the page. And I really don't like when people do this. I think it's a bit not so nice. I get why they do it, but I think that there should be some sort of thing where it says, yes, you're getting a discount, but we're taking away some bonus or something, but whatever. Anyhow, basically all you're going to do is try to exit. The very first time you do so, it's going to pop up this thing right here. It's going to say, wait, you qualified for a free gift, for a discount, basically $3 off. So go ahead and use that and save yourself $3. I really don't mind. I want to help you out, and I want to earn your trust. And I think that by showing you the way to do this, that's how you earn your trust. That's how I earn your trust. Okay, so let's...
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Big tip of my hat. Really like the software. And especially if you use the discount method that I showed you for $14, you really can't go wrong. I love the fact that you can monetize other niches, and you don't have to just stick to the usual make money online stuff, which frankly is very, very hard to make money on.